So our topic today is making and using a Venn diagram. So the first thing we have to figure out is, what is a Venn diagram? And it is just a way to visually show how to compare and contrast two or more objects or ideas. So in our yellow circle we have different, and then different in our blue circle, and then where they overlap there in the green area, you're going to see similar things that they have in common. So we're going to use this setup to take what we discussed yesterday about our two movies, Chimpanzee and Bears, and take those lists that we made up to show what each movie was about, what happened in the movies, and transfer that information into a visual showing to compare and contrast chimpanzee and bears. So first thing we're going to do is label each circle. We have our yellow circle is going to be chimpanzee, our blue circle is going to be bears, and then what they have in common is they are both documentaries about animals. So that's going to go into our green area. Now in our movies, Oscar's mom dies, so that's going to go into our yellow circle, while Sky and her cubs made it through the season will go into the blue circle. So those are two things that happen very differently in our two movies. So in our movies, both animals groups were omnivores. They ate plants and animals. And they also both fought over territory, primarily to do with food. The bears fought each other. The chimpanzees fought another group of chimpanzees to try to get to the better food areas. Another difference, the chimpanzees used rocks and sticks as tools, where the bears used their claws to get the muscles. Both groups also had alpha males, so that's going to go into our green area. And then the bears are set in Alaska, while chimpanzee was set in the rainforest. So now that we have this information, kind of visually can see the yellow is only chimpanzee, the blue is only bears, and then that spot in the middle where the blue and yellow overlap into the green area are the things they have in common. So then what next? So now we can use our Venn diagram as a tool to write an essay to answer the following question. Compare and contrast the movies, chimpanzees and bears. So using our Venn diagram, we can write a paragraph showing just the chimpanzee, a paragraph showing just the bears, and a paragraph showing what the two movies had in common. So that is another way to use a visual tool to help organize your writing to try to improve your writing skills. Alright, so let's get started.